filter options and how they work in an oil application. We take pride in everything we manufacture, and our filters are no exception. Our high-efficiency filters are made right here in Canada and are some of the longest lasting on the market today. Our oil mist collectors are internationally recognized as an industry leader, and the progressive filter stages used are a big reason why. For this video, I'll take you through some of our most popular filter options and show you why they're essential for your next oil mist collector. So our mechanical element is the first stage in our oil mist collectors. Smooth metal surfaces quickly drain fluid back to the sump, and multiple layers help remove up to 90% of the oil mist and swirl. These filters can be taken out, rinsed thoroughly, then put right back into your mist collector. Having a filter that can be hand washed saves on replacing and maintenance time. The first stage mechanical element is suitable for both high pressure coolant and oil applications. So for oil applications, your second stage filter will be a demister element, adding another layer of protection for the HEPA filter and the fiber bed filters. Like the mechanical element, the demister can also be taken out, washed, and put back in to ensure longevity and peak performance. The third and fourth stage fiber bed filters utilize a large surface area to better separate the remaining particles. The high efficiency fiber bed filters will typically last 1 to 3 years. On oil applications, the third and fourth stage filters have a MERV rating of 14 and 15 respectively. They progressively separate fine oil mist as a pre-filtration for the HEPA filter, helping to extend its life. And lastly, our HEPA filter. They capture submicron mist, smoke, and bacteria. Aeroex HEPA filters are made exclusively for oil mist and heavy-duty microglass media in the oil mist separator. Pre-filtration, HEPA filters can last an average of 3 to 4 years. Make sure you stay up to date with everything going on at Aeroex by following us on Facebook or Instagram, and be sure to check back regularly for more informative videos like this one on our YouTube channel.